Hey Beans, it's Ju, and today I'm going to be doing a room tour for you all. I did one about a year ago, but my room was completely different than it is now. I've gotten new furniture and changed the coloring of my room, so I'm really excited to show it to you. It's been like this for about, I would like to say almost a year now, but I just got around to filming it now. And if you want to see my old room and what it looked like, the link will be in the description. So let's just get started. We're gonna start the room tour from where you enter my room. You enter from the door right there, and the double doors are the doors to my closet. So right when you walk in, you see this little hanger thing, and I have all my coats that I wear most, and umbrellas, and a bag, and my towel. So yeah. Now, from the door, this is what my room looks like. And I have no idea what my dog is doing. Maverick. Maverick. This is the view of my room when you first walk in through the door. So we're going to work our way from over here. So over here, I have my sofa, and it's from IKEA. I don't remember the exact name, but it's really, really small. It can fit 2 people. And over it, I just have this really cute throw pillow that has 2 skeletons on it. And I have a blue throw blanket, just in case I get cold. And above that, I have all of my artwork. I have like a cow, some pigs, and just a whole bunch of sayings that if you want, you can stop the video and read. But I'm not going to go over it. And then if you look underneath, I just have an extra bedding set and my cat's bed because he really likes to lay down there. So yeah. Right next to the sofa, I have my bookshelf, and up at the top I have a jar full of EOS. I just think it's really cute. I have a picture and a lava lamp that is not plugged in, but then I just have these lights from Target and just some stuff that I have up there, just random stuff like my dog's hair clippers, my camera bag, a J. Then I just have some books and a picture of my mom and I when I was younger. I really love to read, so I have a lot of books. And these right here are school books that I used this semester, but thankfully the semester is over. Oh, and not 50 Shades of Grey. That's not a school book, but just, you know, stuff that we had to read. This is also not a school book, but we'll just, yeah. I have a Webkins from when I was younger, some headphones, a speaker, and my printer that I use. Then down here, I have these little shelves from Target, and they're filled with different things. Not really going to go into it. And then if you look down there, I have more books in that shelf. But you can't see, so the bottom shelf is filled with books. And then hiding between the bookshelf and the sofa, I have this white table that I got from Target. And it just comes out like this, and you can unfold it. And I think that that just is great if I'm eating in my room or doing work or anything. I just really love it. And it's like the perfect height with the couch for me to just use it as a little middle table. Next to my sofa, I have my garbage can. And then over here, since this desk doesn't have shelves, I just have my little, what's that called? Like a little box of art stuff and folders, pencil case, and in those bins I have all of my extra school stuff, pens and post-its, and that comes in very handy. On my desk I just have all of my makeup, so right here is all of my makeup. I don't wear makeup that often, but lately I've been going out a little bit more often with friends, so I just want to put a few things on so I look decent. Just have a jar with some more personal items and my Fitbit on top, a little alarm clock, and it says it's 3 in the morning, so yeah. And then I just have some bins with pens and stuff, and just post-it notes over here, and my lamp, which I accidentally put a 100-watt bulb in. Don't do that. And then up above, I just have some art and a cork board and a dry erase board, and I have a beautiful calendar. So that's nice. And my chair I had since I was a child. It's not really a good chair, but I rarely sit at my desk, so it's fine. Moving on from my desk, I have this mirror. And there's me. Hello. I'm in pajamas. But it's a full body mirror and I can see myself. But what's cool about this mirror is that if you open it from the side, it stores jewelry in it. I don't know. I'm not going to open it. But it's a lot easier when you have two hands. My hair looks absolutely terrible, but hey. Then over here I have these 2 cube organizers from Target. They're really, really helpful. And I just keep closing it. Over in this cube I keep my art stuff. Down there I just keep some house shoes. These are all of Maverick's toys. And he loves to make a mess with those. And those are just his clothes and extra stuff for him. Over here is just some personal things and some more art stuff. On top, I keep the perfumes and lotions I use. I put away the extra ones so that it's not super overwhelming. And then I just have this little piggy bank and this little elephant that goes with the decor of my room. I always have a candle burning, so right now I just have this pumpkin candle that I got for Christmas, and just some more stuff in a little thing. In this little container top, I just keep my fidget spinner, some keys, and bracelets that I wear often, and then I just have my little armadillo lamp, and above this I just have my little hexagons with pictures of me and my friends and dream catchers. And then over here, you're probably wondering about this random lamp, but I use that for filming because I don't have studio lights, so I just use that for filming, and I actually really like it. This bulb had some of the plastic cover melt on it, so I have to get a new bulb, but until then that works. Then over here I just have my hamper, which is empty because I just recently did laundry. Yay me. And then if you notice, I don't have a bedside table, so I just keep all my bedtime things in this little bin that I got from Target. I just keep my 2 favorite bears and a pair of fuzzy socks to keep me warm, my journal, a book with poetry, this little Burt's Bees thing, face wipes if I just Need to get some makeup off before going to bed. Nasal spray and some melatonin to help me sleep. So I think that's really nice to have my little bedtime things all in one spot. On my bed here, I have 2 headscarves because I either sleep on a silk pillowcase, which is right here and doesn't match my room at all, or I put on one of my headscarves to keep my hair looking good. But yeah, here's my bed. I absolutely love it. It's just this metal white bed, and I think it's great. There's my dog. He is super cute. But I have a whole bunch of pillows. I have 3 pillows and then like a back pillow. And this stuffed bear that I got from Eli, he's super soft. He's like filled with a special type of material to make it super soft. But yeah, my sheets are just from Costco actually. And they're great. They're really good quality and they're really cute and they really match. Under my bed, I have crates, as you can see. I have 6 of them, so that really helps with storage. And as you can see, coming up from behind my bed, I have my Christmas lights that go along this whole entire wall. And I need to put another command hook right there because it's starting to fall. But this is a realistic room tour, okay? And the lights over here, I don't know, they just went out. And I have no idea how to fix it. So, yeah, I know I would have to replace one of the bulbs, but, like, I've been busy. So now moving to the end of my bed, I just have this really, really adorable marbled ottoman, which is filled with more sheets for my bed because I like to change my comforter quite often. Then over here I just have my guitar and my 2 ukuleles, which I always keep in the cases if I'm not playing. And then I just have my tripod and a cute little pillow from Target and a placemat with my dog's food and water, but his food's not there because it's 3 a.m. and he should not be eating at this time. So, yeah. And we keep his food in my room, if you're wondering, because the cats will eat it. We have a specific little chubby cat that loves to eat everything. So, yeah. And right by my bed, I just have this rug, and it's not really for decoration. I just really like it there because in the morning I can just step onto it. I like to sit on it and go on my laptop. I know that may not be the most normal thing, but yeah. And those are my curtains. And yeah, that is my room. I will take you back to the door so that you can see. This is basically my whole room. So thank you all for watching my video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos by me, subscribe down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!